Eazl.
Okay, so you're actually looking at a different prompt here. Why is that? Well, as I worked on this prompt's instructions, I actually used AI to help me. So if you go to eazl.link/meta instructions, you'll find this prompt, which I used to teach the AI the goal of the prompt and also the contextual elements of the prompt that we're building here. And then I shared some general custom instructions that I use, and you can find these in the study guide too. And I had the AI help me create these instructions that are appropriate for the gearbox prompt. So you're going to see here that I actually encapsulated a lot of the prompt that I had already built out, the contextual parts of the prompt, in between prompt tags. So this is just to show that you can have delimiters that are inside delimiters. And I named it the prompt here. And then you're going to see after adding these contextual elements, I added these default instructions, which I use in lots of my prompts. And then here at the bottom, I said, consider my prompt and default instructions. And then step back and consider what you know about prompt engineering and create my sets of instructions. And then I just want to illustrate here that I tried this with a couple of different AI models. I tried this prompt that generates instructions with a couple different AI models that I built into the Eazl app before finding results that I liked. I liked these Gemini Pro results better, which is just to say that sometimes it's worth testing your prompts on different AI systems because they're all a bit unique and the models do sometimes evolve over time. And also, you should know that different models have different pricing structures. And that can make a big difference when you're using your prompts for business. So for example, when you look here, you'll see that Gemini Pro currently is priced at this much to generate this prompt. I mean, it's way less than a penny, where GPT-4 is about 10 cents. And that's just to say that these models are priced differently and they're better at different things. So you might have to try your prompts on different AI systems to get the results you're looking for.